Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fantastic guide that will transform your body with these 7 effective home workouts. So grab your workout gear and let's get started. First up, we have the all-time classic push-up workout. This exercise targets your triceps, shoulders, and chest muscles. Trust me, you'll feel the burn in no time. Next on our list is the burpee challenge. This high-intensity movement targets your legs, abs, and cardiovascular endurance. If you're ready to take it to the next level, go for 20 reps on each exercise. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thirdly, we have the squat workout. This exercise targets your glutes and quads while maintaining a flat back for improved core strength. Remember to keep good form throughout each rep for maximum benefit. Fourthly, we have the plank hold workout, a must-do for improving core strength and stability by engaging all abdominal muscles without any strain on your back or spine. Holding a plank for 30 seconds is an impressive feat that will leave you feeling stronger than ever. Next up is the bicycle crunch challenge. This exercise targets your abs while also working your oblique muscles to create a strong core foundation. Aim for 20 reps to feel the burn in no time. Seventhly on our list is the jumping jack challenge. Perfect for warming up those leg muscles before any workout session, or as an effective high-intensity cardio option during rest periods between exercises. Aim for 30 reps each and watch your fitness levels soar. Lastly, but certainly not least, is running in place as a full body workout or during rest periods between exercises. Aim for 1 minute straight to boost heart rate quickly and safely while also achieving full body benefits such as stronger leg muscles and improved cardiovascular health all at once when done correctly.